What up, peeps? So today I will be showing you how to actually do a little backdoor with Metasploit. Metasploit's just pen testing software that you mainly use if you're trying to do some sort of exploits. And it's just super crazy what you can do with Metasploit. For the most part, it's pretty complicated to use, but there are some sides to it that can be easy. So first, I will also say that what I am teaching on here, I want this to be used towards actual pen testing and not with actual hacking. I will not like you if you are doing this to actually learn how to hack and screw people over, because that's not good. So now, let's start off with, obviously we're using Metasploit. I already have Metasploit opened, obviously. I'm running this through SSH off of a Raspberry Pi. So it was going to take forever if I would have tried to just turn it on while it was on the recording. So let's see. So MS Venom is actually what we'll be using to create the stuff that we need. So -- platform. We're our operating system. So Windows -P. So the kind of payload that we're wanting, we want it to be Windows. We want it to be 64-bit, a shell, and a reverse TCP. So next, it's going to ask for the host. This is the IP address of the main computer that the infected machines would be going back to. So 191.129. And it's also going to ask for the port. Use whatever port you want as long as it's not being used. Then after that, then you get exit func equals thread -B. Sorry, I was having to think there for a moment. I think -B stands for binary. And then we're going to be inputting a memory address. -F, and then XC only. Here's where we're going to be working with the outputting. EXE only -O. So output. We're going to put it under root. I don't know, let's call it fried chicken.exe. Also, obviously, you'll notice I'm putting something under root, so I'm obviously using some form of Linux. So if you're confused and you don't have a root, well, you're probably using Windows. And I'm doing this strictly for Debian Linux. Probably should have said that in the beginning, but that's all good. So now we just wait a moment. It's going to create the backdoor for us. Alright, no work selected, that's fine. Alright, so there we go. It's always going to say it failed. No need to worry about that. Just as long as you payload size and then where it's saved. So we're good from right there. So I already created one. Cheesecake right here is actually the one that I already created. Obviously, you're now going to want to try and put the executable on a target machine, but you know, it's whatever. So I don't have to do that because we already have it there. Now, what we will do is start up the listener. So that is use multi-handler. Oops, spelled handler wrong. Come on. Basically, what this is gonna do is it's gonna make it to where the main computer is gonna be listening through whatever port we set it as. So we'll want to set it as the one that we obviously put in the back door, or that's just not gonna work. So let's start off with lhost. Actually, it's set lhost. So same exact IP as last time. Set lport, same port as last time. Now right here is where it's probably gonna take a little bit, but we're gonna see what happens here. You're probably gonna see the screen get this is gonna randomly skip because it takes like a minute to set that, and I don't want you guys to wait through that. Alright, now we're back. So next we'll do set exit on session false. We don't exactly need exit on session, but it's good to have. So then now we type exploit-j. I'm not sure what the -j stands for, to be honest, but that'll start it. Alright, so exploit running as a background job. It's reverse TCP handlers running on the main computer, listening through port 445. Now if I double click cheesecake, sending stage, blah 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 blah. So we're able to go through here. Now it's saying, hey, some computers randomly wanting to talk to me. So there we go. Now we type in sessions-i, and this is going to show us all of the computers that are connecting back to our main computer. Now if you want to select one, the ID, so sessions I1. So there we go. I have now successfully gotten the backdoor to flow through to the main computer, and through that I'm able to access basically command prompt. So what if I type notepad? Oh, well there we go. We got notepads randomly coming up. What if I type calc? Oh, well crap. Now what if I type iExplore? Oh, okay, never mind. That didn't work as planned. Gosh darn it. Oh well, but you get the idea. You know, it's like, for the most part, it's pretty cool. You're able to go through, you can do some things. If you're able to elevate yourself as administrator, then you can definitely do some pretty freaking crazy things with it. For the most part, that's really it. There are other ways that you can do things like that. This is pretty much just like the basic backdoor. And yeah, I guess that's it. If you have any questions, feel free. Just leave a message down below and I'll try to get back to you as quick as possible. Peace out, people.